guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will give you a review on this Freeman's measuring tape. So I bought it for 6 dirhams and it is 7.5 meter tape. It is made in India, and so you got a measuring tape like this, and so this is to place this somewhere like this, and so the quality is nice. It is quite heavy. And you can see it is quite big and it's very smooth, so you can place this like this also, so that's nice. It is stable. So on top of this you can see we got the measurements in centimeter or inch. So we got measurement in centimeter and inch. On the back side we got again in centimeter. So on back it's purely centimeter, on front it is centimeter and inches. So to close this you just need to, so let's say I want to measure it over here, so just press this, so it is get, and you can see that after that at this red line it will show you feet. So it is 0.1 feet. Now it is locked. I will open this. So 3 feet, and I will show you the quality of this strip. So it is quite nice. It's flexible, and that's all. So this is unlocked, this is locked, and the case is very nice.